Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share with friends and family. I would really appreciate it if you do. Guys, if you are not new, welcome back to my channel. Again, thanks for coming back. I do appreciate it. Today is going to be a paint with me video. Unfortunately, another tenant was evicted from this apartment due to them not taking care of it properly. So again, we have to try and move at a fast pace and get this apartment ready to go. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And like I said, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're coming back, thanks again for joining me. As you guys saw in the beginning clips, the place was a mess. We did clean up the first day we got here. Did do my before clip, and then as I was getting ready to start the cleaning, I realized I didn't bring my tripod, so unfortunately I wasn't able to record that process. But I said, why not just show you guys the paint with me. Okay, as some of you guys know, I do have a full-time job, and this is just my side gig here. I usually come about once a week or whenever they have some work to do on an apartment or a house or just in the property in general. So here today we are here for the second day, and we just have to mainly get the painting done. We want the place to just look as clean as possible so we can take pictures and they can post it online to start getting people coming in to start processing some applications. You guys, there are a lot of repairs that needs to get done in this apartment. Like I said before, we're not here to fix everything. We are in a bit of a time crunch. We just want to get the place cleaned up and picture ready as much as we can, so that we can, again, like I said, just have some pictures taken so we can place online so people can see that the place is available, and then we'll come back to just do those repairs. So this place here was a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It also had 2 balconies. It was really a really cute apartment. It's just so funny. I was just painting and just like envisioning me living here, and if I was, like, what I would do to it. I don't know, for some reason, let me know guys if I'm the only one, but every time I go to someone's house, I'm always just looking around, admiring, every piece and like every unique, aspect of the house, and just envisioning, what I would do to the place and what can I do to, like, add my little personal touches to it. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys do that too. If you guys haven't already, I will be having my Instagram in the description box below. Please follow me there. I do post more often than I do on YouTube on my Instagram page. So again, just please follow me down below. It's Designs by Liza. By the way, sorry for the PDA. Maybe, but it's okay. We're all grown. So guys, yes, it looks like we're painting nothing, but when I actually started painting this door, you can see the difference in the color. It is more of a like really like gray color. It is coming off as a white, but it is not. It's slightly different than the color that's on the walls. But again, you may see me using the paint bucket instead of actually like a smaller handheld bucket. We forgot the bucket in the previous house that we were working on, and the storage unit there. So we pretty much had to work with what we got. So don't do as I do, just do as I say. But at the end of the day, you do you, boo. You do what works for you. At the end of the day, it's gonna come out the way that it comes out. It's gonna look great, so there's no right or wrong way to do it. So the room that I'm working on now is the master bedroom. It's really cute. It has 2 sliding pocket doors. Those doors are damaged, so those have to be repaired. And then my husband is currently working on the living room, which is the room that's right outside of that. And then the door that's to the back left is another bedroom. And then right when you walk in, there's another bedroom kind of on the opposite side of the apartment, which is really cute. I didn't get to film those bedrooms because my husband painted those. So I focused on this room. I did 2 coats on this room, and then I painted the edges around it. The only thing I didn't get to do was the ceiling, because we didn't have our ladder at the moment. And then he painted the 2 bedrooms and the living room, and then I did the edges in those rooms. But again, we do have to come back and finish up the ceilings in those rooms. So once the closet doors were done in the master bedroom, I just came over to the living room area and just started touching up the window sills, the edges, and then the moldings. As he continued to paint the other rooms, and we didn't do the kitchen area because we do still have to clean up just a little bit more in there and just make sure everything is dusted off, and then get inside the oven, which is a mess. It's so nasty. And then also the cabinets. Do you guys see this cute built-in that's in this wall? Like I really, I don't know, I just really appreciate like older homes and just how, unique and antique looking they are. I mean, it's not the most modern apartment, but I do still appreciate, the vintage look of the place. A lot of people really don't appreciate it, but if you really look at the details and just see how pretty much even look at the moldings, the crown moldings around the doors, it's just beautiful. I don't know, every time I go to a different home, I just see like different features that I just admire. Every house has this little quirky, unique features about it that the up-to-date modern homes don't have anymore. A lot of modern homes pretty much just have those clean lines, everything looks the same, it's pretty much just there's really nothing too special about it. But when you come into these homes, you just see something that you never seen before. A lot of things are just even built differently. I don't know, just me seeing a lot of different homes, I just get to appreciate the little things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Talk about a cliffhanger, huh? I hope you guys do stay tuned. I can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store for the next video. I see you guys on the next one. Bye.